Good morning. Nandito kami ngayon sa may Suntec, tapat ng hotel na mall. Ice cream for breakfast. Nag-breakfast kami kanina sa hotel. Good food, so ngayon we're just gonna go around and check out different spots in Singapore. See you in a bit. Bye! Go to Singapore, you cannot purchase any more cards. So what do? Use your ATM that has Visa, MasterCard. American Express is not accepted. So Visa, MasterCard, and you just tap it for the train. That's it. Easy peasy. So we're now in the train station and we are heading to Chinatown. We're gonna go DP. Higher.
Next station na tayo.
Chinatown. Welcome to Chinatown.
Grabe, kahit sa Singapore, Chinatown pa rin.
Pero kasi, ito yung sinasabi ko dyan. Yung mga buildings na ganyan na yan. Boom! Welcome to Singapore. Ito yung building niya. We're gonna go to Buddha Tooth Relic Temple. So it is an 8-minute walk. It's a 5-story temple in Chinatown, Singapore. You will instantly notice the impressive main hall with its high ceiling. So let's check it out and let's see where it's at.
Buddha Tooth Relic Temple.
Buddha Tooth Relic Temples in Singapore.
May jade. Sige.
So, bawal naka-cap and bawal naka-shorts.
Oh, cute.
It's massive.
Laki. Parang ito yung pinamagandang temple na napuntahan natin.
They're gonna ask you to wear this skirt pag naka-shorts. Next.
Pero in fairness, maayos tong Chinatown mo dito.
Magandang Chinatown dito.
Mga shops, well-organized ng mga... Hindi siya mukhang Changi na as in Changi kasi maayos. So...
There's a lot of places to eat. Pero maraming mga souvenir shops. So we're going to Sri Mariamman.
Anong meron doon?
It's another temple.
Pwedeng step check. Ilang steps ka?
Step check. 5,733 steps. Which Chinatown can you go? It looks like this.
Ganda nga eh.
None. Only in Singapore. Look at that.
Temples na.
Madami-dami kasi merong temple na pang India. Temple na pang...
Ano yung pinaka-Chinese temple?
Chinese yun, yes. Ito parang Indian temple.
So hindi na siya Chinatown. Kasi kung may Indian temple dito. Oh, yun siguro yun ah.
Yeah, that one.
May mga baka. Kasi ang dami, ano ba yan? Baka ba yan?
Sacred sa ano yan eh, sa Hinduism. So we are at Sri Mariamman Multipurpose Center.
Sri Mariamman.
Mariamman. Hindi sila mahirap.
Oo, Mariamman sila. Tapos bawal nakasapatos, nakayapak.
Go inside.
Magyayapak ka doon.
Yan talaga eh. This is a must-visit place here in Singapore. You know why it's cool?
Kasi nakakita mo yung mga tinatuno sa kata.
Yes. So you can see my tats. No, not that. It's cool because you can actually appreciate the culture.
Mosque. Pang Muslim naman to. Yeah. Muslim area naman to. Mosque Street.
We have arrived here at Newton Station. Ayan. So we're gonna go eat.
We're gonna eat at Newton Food Center.
So anong meron dito sa Newton na to?
Doon kumain yung sa Crazy Rich Asians. Di ba yung sa movie, pagdating nila sa Singapore, pinakain sila. Sa book, hindi doon yung, pero sa movie, dun sinut. And according sa mga tropa peeps natin.
Alam mo bakit masarap maglakad sa Singapore?
Oh.
Meron ka lalakaran eh.
Yeah. Hindi ka matatakot masagasaan.
Diba? You have a designated pedestrian lane. And then, kita mo naman may bubong. Hindi ka mainitan. Humid lang, pero it's okay. Mukhang 10,000 steps na tayo. 8,000 steps. 8,300 steps.
Pwede na tayo dito.
Ayan. Pindutin muna natin to. Ayan, pindot. Hindi.
Pwede
Yan.
pala. Nangangain ng tanga dito. Bibilang ako dito.
Di ba to?
Ha?
Baka ito na yun. We are at Newton Food Center. Yan, dyan na si Doc. We're gonna go eat.
Parang Ilocano lang pala to eh. Makanan.
So what are we gonna order?
We're gonna order crab. Ayun o. Michelin star.
Sana? One chili crab. And then one cereal prawn.
You want the bun or no bun?
Yes, in bun.
Drink. Anong mag-rice tayo? The smallest rice. Okay, thank you. Hanap ako ng bilihan ng drink dito. Ayun na mo, bilihan ng drink. Ano gusto mong drink?
Sige, bili ka.
Buy a drink. What's your best seller drink here? Lime juice. I'm gonna try one big lime juice and one grass jelly. Ah, init. This is grass jelly. Parang black bulang. Hindi masyadong matamis.
This is fresh lime juice. Asang kalamansi. It's very refreshing. So we ordered chili crab and cereal prawn. The things that I miss here in Singapore is like one of the best, actually.
Yung rice na lang. Parang gusto kong humingi ng vinegar. Sir, do you have vinegar? Vinegar is life. Ang sarap. Masarap tong condensed milk. So good. Ang masarap.
Sarap ng bread.
Kaya nga
Stall number 27, Alliance Seafood. So good. Sobrang fresh naman nila, no? Chili, crab. Pero alam mo, if you live here, madali sa yung 10,000 steps eh.
Kakain ako marami dito.
Awa ka na, ito pa.
Oh, heavenly. Ooh, look at that. Ano to? Worth the long walk. Ano to?
Ano mo lang, dip mo na lang to dito. Yung ano, cereal. Sarap ng sauce eh. Kasi ang lalaki pa, oh. It's big. Sugpo talaga.
Pag pupunta ka dito, huwag kang mag-color white ng damit. Namamantahan yung suot mo.
Now the bill. Hindi natin tinignan kung magkano ang presyo niya.
Moment of truth. Hindi ko mga, ano to, 86.
100. 91. Ano mas worth it? Yung 260 plus a dinner o itong 91?
Mas nag-enjoy ako. Ito.
Ano kasi in-ambience yun eh.
Yeah. Experience yun.
Kabihis ka, 5-star hotel.
Yeah. Pero, I don't know. Pero, sarap.
Pinaka-importante.
So, 91 is how much? Parang nasa 4,000 plus.
4,000 plus for this?
Masarap ng crab.
So, Food Alliance, number 27 is very good. Michelin star. Sige. Shoutout kay Kuya. Pakasarap ng pagkain niya.
Busog.
Some yarn.
Busog yarn. We're gonna go to Orchard to walk and to eat again. Diba? Ang sarap.
We are here at Orchard. May picture kami ni Dikoy dito eh. Wow, ang ganda mo naman. Nakakailang train ride na tayo. Kamusta naman yung experience mo dito?
Train all the way.
Yeah. Nakakailang sasakay na tayong train?
More than 5. Convenient naman.
We're at the pool. Yeah. Dynamite. Cheers. We had our swimming. 2 lapses. Ordered food. Ito yung bar. Skyline bar. And then the pool has some fiber optic lighting. It's nice.
Dynamite ba? Ano ba dynamite? Whoa, look, love. Fashion strip.
Oh, here it is. I'm gonna go eat here. So what you ordered?
Ordered their bestseller, Roxy Laksa, and then US Angus beef satay. And then, meron pang isa, bestseller din nila, yung signature pork lard fried rice. Wow. Malambot yung meat. Lasang kebab.
Seryoso?
And then, ito yung signature pork lard fried rice. Ito mga best sellers lang.
Try ko tong lard. Ano ba to? Mango. Hindi ka naaguan.
Bakit yung laksa hindi mo masyadong favorite?
I think it's because of the broth. Unang try ko sa kanya sa Pilipinas, ang tamis. Tapos naman ng laksa na to.
Pero yung noodles niya, hindi siya yung... Usually kasi yung sa mga bugis sa Pilipinas, parang ang labsak. Ito yung bestseller nila.
Not bad. Taba.
Hmm?
Oh.
Ano yung broth? Ano yung lasa ng broth for you?
Ayoko sa mga soup. Kahit na sa ramen, ayoko ng sobrang rich. Kasi overpowers everything. Parang sobrang lakas ng lasa niya. I like yung sobrang chill lang ng pagkain.
Taste, 5. Noodles,
Ito yung consistency.
5 different.
Fries.
Compared sa mga kinain natin, parang not bad. Pero mga, I don't know, 4.
Okay. Not pork.
Huwag ka nang fair ko sa Pilipinas.
Hindi ba sulit ba yan? Hindi. Yung sa Pinayara, magkano yun? $16. Magkano yung 60?
Parang 700.
Sabi, worth it 700 ba yan? Meron kang dalawang sugpo.
Worth it naman.
Oo, bakit 4?
Kasi sa Pilipinas, ano to eh. Parang mga 400.
Or ano, meron man silang dalawang sugpo?
Wala.
Oh.
O di sige, edi 5. Pero, eto, hindi nila bestseller. Ano? 3. Sorry. Yung taste, parang hindi siya, although yung consistency ng meat okay naman. Pero parang may aftertaste sa akin. So, mga 3. Eto, 3 din.
Greasy.
Oo, no. Parang masarap lang siya sa first few bites. Pero after, yung pag nakailang...
Pero lard kasi yan eh.
Yeah, pero best seller siya.
Siguro pag nakainom ka na.
Pero yung lasa ko naman. Dito na tayo.
Sumakasay ako sa part na ito.
Parang both, right? Dessert.
So you have berries,
berries,
bananas.
we have strawberry, we have blueberry, banana, and since you can have two flavors in one cup, so mango and coconut, granola, coconut shavings, and Nutella drizzle. Healthy but
Deadly. Healthy but deadly. Ang sarap. So that wraps up our second day. It's quite an interesting day. I love it.
busog na naman ang bata. Yeah. Oh, wait lang.
16,434.
So what we're gonna do is go to Orchard, walk, and then meron ako nakita doon na spa.
Pakol ba yan?
Hindi.
Ah,
As
ba't tayo
in,
pupunta ron?